some errors. Risotto is wrongly spelled here, but it's not so wise to change it here. It's better to change it on the page where it's from. So we go to page number 6. We have passed it. Risotto, we have a T too much, so we say that's the way. And they think it's maybe let's see. Oh, yeah. Well, it's a space here, so oh, it's saying what to do. Halfgaar is just one word, so therefore it's a. And Giallo, that will be all right. But I have seen some errors that can be must be changed, like here. It is with an A and a lot, but we gonna do it a different way. That's we can do it. Well, I don't know what is it. What is it? Udo noodles. But I think in that indeed it is a capital like this. Tauge is better with this, but we're gonna do it our hand way. We can backspace the E, and then we can choose for insert, and then we go to special characters, and then we can try to find a special character for this. And we have here symbols, and we have scroll down. Oh, this punctuation font modifier, other American scripts. No, it's not like this. Maybe arrows. I'm looking for something different. Yes, these are just only arrows. A symbol that I think is no, that is not it. That's not to find it. It is not a number. It's Latin. That's the way. That's what they're looking for. In Latin, there are also some other characters in E with a dot above it. That's not the way. We can choose an E like this. I saw it. We saw an E. Little bit low. There he is. This is the character I was looking for. So now I have inserted it, I think. There he is. And so we can run through the text and make it gewokt. That's okay. So then we can no, add it to the dictionary, but it's not allowable here in Google documents. When we add another page for the front page, and we can do it a way like this. Of course, insert, new, insert, break, and you say page break. And then all the page numbers are different, so we have to update the table again. And then here we can start recipes of receptum. That's not here. I was looking for here, yes. That's not the way. Insert, break, page break, and then go back to there and then call for a receptor. This function is not a heading 2, it's normally a title. So we say title, and then we can align it in the center, and we can make it much larger, of course. And now we are finished with our tutorial. Maybe we can add another page. Oh, this one is also a problem. No, so this we can do it this way. So the text is floating aside. I think that the page numbers are not changed by it. We can throw this. This one is a little bit difficult today. It is the recipe. No, this is the image on the other page. So it's going to get down. There we are. Super snel. That's one word. And I think it might be that these are on another page. It's on page number 12, and the ingredients are also on the other page. I think that's not so very wise. So I say here, so insert page break. There we are. And then for the last time, we update our contents. And then it's on the field. We gonna create this that's black, or better, this all black. So now we are finished. We have our recipes. Of course, lots of things we have learned. When you're working with more people on this document, you can add documents and then comments to your document, so more people can work on it and view it and review it if you like.